Sir, because in UAE there will be holidays
In June,
from
July.
June. Yeah, June, July, and I think June, July, yes, and August. It will be in September.
Okay.
August also will be good. Yeah.
Tell me then your syllabus that will come into exam.
Yeah, sure, sir. Wait, I will. No, no, no word, only word. I have to go to word. Okay, it's there. Mm, tutor. Can you see the chat box?
What?
Can you see the chat box? I have sent it
Yes,
in
yes.
chat box.
There is partnership deed, preparation of profit and loss.
Okay. Sir, I have one question.
Just 1 minute.
Yes, sure.
Okay. These are the topic.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Yes, sir, I can.
Let me enlarge it. Actually.
Sure. Sure, sir.
Okay. So these are partnership features, partnership deed, provision in the absence of partnership deed, preparation of profit and loss. So we have completed up to this point, I think.
Yeah, fix and that fix and fix it. Fix with method we already completed.
Yes. So there is only three topic we have to discuss. We will complete this within a week. Means not within a week actually. In a week we have only three classes, so we have to take 5 to 6 classes. So yes, in 5 to 6 classes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, because that exam will be, I think I will tell you, it's a fixed date.
Okay.
That exam will be, I think it will be 21st. Sorry, 21st.
Okay. Now you wanted to ask some question. Please ask.
Sir, wait 2 minutes. I'm coming 2 minutes. I have taken that notebook.
Okay.
Yes. Sir, that question is right there,
Yes.
sir, right there. Okay. Deepak and Amit are the partners with capital 3 lakh. Each as on 31st March 2024. Nilesh withdraw from the capital 50,000 on the 1st October and rupees 1 lakh drawing against profit showcase and had drawing of rupees 1 lakh. Interest on capital 10% net profit will be this. Sir, like in this question, I like it's question and a half. In this question, it's asking about the some entry, journal entries asking.
Some journal entries.
Yeah, like it's asking also journal entry for the interest on capital. So that one I have to write. How do we write that thing?
Okay. Journal entry, actually, we have discussed journal entry in one of
Yeah,
class.
yeah, that I know. Like
Yes,
it's asking a question, like it is asking a question to how do we to solve that one? We have to write the journal entry, the answer.
yes. We have to prepare the format of journal entry and we have to pass journal entry. Now, the thing is, whatever information is given to us in the question, we have to pass journal entry for that thing only. Like if it is given for interest on capital, then you will pass journal entry for interest on capital. If it is for interest on drawing, then interest on drawing. Okay. Let me solve. Actually, can you share this question in this chat?
Yes, sir.
Can you share the question?
So that question I have written.
Okay. Tell me. I will write here.
That question is half, I know, because my partner have written this question because my fair notebook have taken my partner. It's rough notebook now.
Okay.
Okay.
So the question is not complete.
Yeah, no, like that journal entry is not written there because he's a very short and song. He write the
Okay,
only
no
the
problem.
short thing.
Just tell me the information given question. I will solve it.
Sir, you have TC, TS Gravel. I will tell you which I have. I will take first.
Okay.
Exercise. Yes, sir. That question is I expanded that question. Okay. Oh, right, sir. Question right. I will tell. Okay. Kamal and Kapil are the partners having fixed capital of rupees 5 lakh. Each has on first 31st March 2022. Kamal introduced further
How
capital.
much profit? Can you repeat how much profit?
I will repeat it again. Kamal and Kapil are the partners having fixed capital of rupees 5 lakh.
Okay. Both.
Each has on 31st March 2022.
Okay.
Kamal introduced further capital of rupees 1 lakh on 1st October 2022.
1 minute. 1 minute. Additional capital 1 lakh by Kamal
Yeah,
on
on 1st October. 1st October.
1st October. Okay.
Yeah. Where a couple withdraw 1 lakh on 1st October 2022 out of capital. Then okay, interest on capital is to be allowed 10%.
Okay.
The firm entered net profit of rupees 6 lakh for the year ending 31st March 2023.
Profit
23.
6 lakh.
Yeah. Pass the journal entry of interest on capital and prepare the profit and loss account.
Okay. First of all, for this question, you have to understand how to calculate interest on capital and drawing. Okay. Your concern is about journal entry here. So I will explain only journal entry part, not interest on capital and drawing, because I have written this topic name right now, just now. I'm going to teach you this topic later. But before that, I will give you the information that how to solve this question. Okay. First of all, journal entry for interest on capital will be passed in the format that we prepare for journal. You know how to prepare the format of journal.
Date particular.
Yeah.
Then LF amount and amount.
Is this correct?
Yeah.
So you'll write solution here. Then you'll write journal entry here.
So only one journal entry will be passed now.
No, actually, no. Date,
Okay.
particular,
Amount,
LF,
amount. LF amount.
debit amount, and credit amount. So this is
Okay.
our format. Now, the year is 2023.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the interest is calculated on the last date generally. So it is March 31st.
Yeah. March 31st.
Okay.
Yes.
So first entry will be now interest on capital is expenses for the firm. So it will be written here interest on capital account
Capital
debit.
to the
Interest on capital account debit. 2. Partner's name you have to write here.
okay, both partner we have to okay, interest on capital is
Okay.
going to
This is Kamal's capital
yeah.
and Kapil capital.
Okay, I have to write two times that partner names.
Yes, because there is two partners, so we have to write both partners' name. Kamal's capital account debit, Kapil's capital account debit. Being interest on capital charged.
Okay. It's mandatory to write the being capital on interest on charge.
Yes,
That
actually,
narration.
this is like a tradition you have to follow. It is. Well, I don't know that why this is it, but information that we provide to the use the person who will use the information. So that is why we give this information so that he understand the transaction.
Okay.
So this is narration. Now the second thing is we have to write off. I told you that every nominal account we have to pass two journal entry first for due and the second to write off.
Yeah.
So on March 31st again, it will be profit and loss appropriate
Gross appropriation account.
to interest on capital.
Why it's again is coming in interest on capital?
Because we have to write interest on capital. Interest on capital is expenses for the firm. If we have
Okay.
opened this account, so we have to close this also.
Okay, sir.
Being interest on capital written off. This is the journal entry that you will pass. Done. Now the calculation part. Okay, I will just calculate the amount. Actually, they are both partners' capital. So working note number 1, interest on capital. You will write it here. Then Kamal. Now Kamal introduced 5 lakh in the beginning of the year. Okay, and after some time he introduced 1 lakh more. So his capital becomes 6 lakh. Yes.
It's like yeah.
In the same manner, in Kapil case, Kapil introduced 5 lakh in the beginning, and
Yes.
after some time he withdraw 1 lakh from the firm. So his capital will become 4 lakh.
Okay.
Now, how much time we have 5 lakh for Kamal? So how much time Kamal has kept 5 lakh as his capital?
Oh, we have to check according to the date, like
So we have to see
month.
that in the beginning, this I will take 1st April because it is given in the question, 1st April, and he introduced additional capital on 1st October.
April, May, June, July, August, September. It will be 6 months, 6 by 12.
So his opening capital at this point was this. And so in the beginning, it is 5 lakh. At this point, he add 1 lakh more, so it becomes 6 lakh.
6 lakhs.
And at the end, it is 6 lakh.
6 lakh.
So
October. It will be 6 and it will be.
so from here to here, it is 6 months.
And 5 months.
And from here to here, it is also 6 months.
Okay, 6 or 12 you're doing. Okay.
So we will calculate interest at the rate 10% per annum. 10%.
Yeah.
So 5 lakh into 10%
10 by 100. Yeah. And multiply by 6 by 12.
by 12. Again,
6 by 12. So, but the couple get lost, no? He's not introduced.
Kapil withdraw the amount, so his capital decreases.
Yeah, so that okay.
So 25,000 for Kamal here and 30,000 here.
It will be
Total
30,000,
amount is 55,000.
25,000, again 25,000.
And here it is 25,000 and
Then again it will
20,000.
20,000. It will
So,
be 45,000.
so this will be written here 55,000, 45,000, 100. And here it will be 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Okay.
Done. This is your solution.
Okay.
Tell me, is there any problem here? Doubt?
No, sir. Like why couple is getting decrease his amount, like he withdraw. Why we are doing 6 by 12?
Okay. He also withdraw the amount on the same date, 1st October.
Yeah.
So think about it. Let's again take this point of time. On 1st April, he has a capital of 5 lakh.
Yes.
On 1st October, he withdraw the amount. Withdraw means he taken the capital out of the business. So 1 lakh he withdrawn. So his capital will decrease, yes or no?
Yeah.
So it becomes 4 lakh.
Okay.
And at the last date of the year, it is again 4 lakh. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now, if you see, this 5 lakh is kept in the business for 6 months only.
Yes.
So after this point of time, it becomes 4 lakh. Again, this 4 lakh kept in the business for 6 months. So we have calculated interest on this 5 lakh for 6 months, and we have
Yeah. And
calculated
4 lakh.
on this amount for 6 months.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So whatever the
Yes.
amount becomes after changes, okay, we will consider the time of that change only.
Okay.
Again, you can calculate it by another method if you don't understand it. If you have any confusion, then you can calculate it like this. On 5 lakh, you calculate the full interest, that is 10%.
10%, yeah.
So it will be 50,000.
Yes.
Okay. On this 1 lakh that he withdrawn, you calculate separate interest.
Yes, sir.
And he withdrawn it on
1,000. Yeah, it will 10,000.
So it will be 6 by 12 because
Okay,
he
you want
withdrawn
6.
only in October, not for whole year.
Okay.
So he withdrawn, so it will be 5,000.
10,000 by 6, it will be 60,000, 16,000 by 12, 5,000. Yes, sir.
So this is interest on capital.
Yes. It is interest on drawing. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, interest on capital, we have to charge, we have to pay to the partner. Yes.
Yeah, we have to.
The firm will pay to the partner.
Yeah. No, interest. Like, can you repeat? Can you pardon the question?
Interest on capital will be paid by firm to the partner.
Interest. Interest on capital will be paid by the firm. No, sir. Why it will be paid by the firm? Interest on capital.
Okay, okay. Let me take this example, then we'll understand. Let's say that this is you and
Okay.
you go to a bank.
Okay.
Now see here, you go to bank will give you some money.
Yes. With some interest.
Okay. Now money lent by the bank to you. Who will pay the interest?
Mm, me. No, bank will pay the interest.
What?
Yeah.
Bank
Right,
has
sir.
given you the money.
This is me.
You
Bank
have
paying
taken a
interest.
loan from bank.
Okay, yeah. Then I have to pay the interest.
Okay. So bank has given you the money. Okay.
Yes.
It is a loan.
Yeah.
Now who will pay the interest?
Uh, Firm will pay the interest then.
No, no. First tell me this.
Like, okay, I'm giving the money to the bank again. Yeah.
Bank is giving money to you as a loan.
Okay, that he's giving as a loan. So it's okay. He will give me some interest about like.
So bank will charge interest from you. Means you have
Yeah.
to pay interest.
Yes, I have to
So you have to pay interest to
interest.
the bank.
Yeah.
So generally the loan or amount paid by some person who take interest. And if you are taking money, then you have to pay interest. Again, in the firm case, partner is giving money to the firm. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So firm will pay interest.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I explained this in detail because you're confused about that.
Yeah, because my teacher is not telling this thing everything. He's
Okay,
saying
you told me that
yeah.
we will charge interest from the partner. So that's why. Okay, so now you
Okay.
understood interest on
Yes.
capital will be paid to the partner
Yeah.
and interest on drawing will be charged from the partner.
Wait, sir.
So we will pay this money and we will receive this money. We are firm. I'm talking about that we assume that we are firm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we pay 50,000 and if we receive 5,000, so how much money in net we are paying?
We are paying 55,000.
45,000.
Okay, okay, it's actually receive. Oh, receive. Okay, we are going to receive. It will minus then. Okay.
Okay. So we will pay
Yeah.
45,000.
45,000. Yeah.
So that is what we have calculated here. You can see 45,000.
Yes, sir. Yes. Why I have to get why I will get this method? I will do the first method now. It will be easy for me.
No, you were confused at that time. So actually, whenever I see you as confused, then I will explain another method also. whatever you
No,
choose.
like sir, no, like this was not clear, but I have one doubt on this one. Like why we are getting, why we not minus that thing? Well, like is couple is withdrawing now that amount. That is my doubt.
Whenever you actually you understood that part, or should I explain again?
No, sir, now I am clear. Everything now clear.
Okay,
Go,
okay, you
go
clear.
again.
At that point of time, you have a doubt. Yes,
Yeah, only that point.
so it is clear now.
Yeah, now we have to start the interest on partners capital. Yeah.
Yes, actually, the problem is whenever I talk to you, okay, and you give answer in this way, like slow answer or by thinking too much, then I understand it that you are confused. You
Yeah,
didn't get the point. That's why I explained in another method.
sir, it is not like you. It is my account is also saying this thing. Like when I'm not sure about my answer, they will say, "Okay, you are confused. That's why saying this answer. You are saying this thing."
Yes,
Because like I get confused about that thing.
no problem. It is the time that you are studying new things, so you will get confused. Anything that
Yeah.
you don't understand, you have right to ask question.
Yes. Like sir,
Okay.
I have some like little hint about the interest on capital, partners capital. Because I do one question, I had two question about that thing.
Okay, we will solve some of the question, but let us discuss the topic first.
Yeah, discuss sir.
Uh, First of all, you understand the concept of increase or decrease in capital.
Yeah. Yes sir. Increase and decrease of capital. Yeah.
Yes. So how it will be increased due to additional capital,
Yes.
and how it will decrease due to
By
drawing of capital.
drawing, yeah, drawings of capital.
Okay. So whenever you withdraw the money from the business, then it is drawing of capital. Whenever you put additional money, extra money, then it is additional capital. So additional capital will increase your capital balance, and drawing will decrease your capital balance. So we have to consider this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the formula for calculation of interest? Can you tell me?
Oh, it is formula for interest we have done.
Interest
Like,
is like
openings. Okay, okay, principal. Wait, I forgot that.
into rate by
Principal
100
by 100.
into time divided
Interest
by
was divided
12.
by the 12
If,
or 36. 36. Yeah.
uh, if it
Time,
is
date.
given in month, then 12. If it is given in days, then 365.
Yes,
But if
yes, sir.
the whole year is taken into consideration, then you don't have to write time factor.
Then what we have to write that thing.
Like if you have to calculate interest for a whole year, then you don't have to write this.
Then
Okay,
okay, then
not applicable for whole year.
okay, sir.
Okay, so this is the simple formula. Now, the problem arises when there is some changes in capital or drawing. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about interest on capital. So whenever there is some changes, some additional capital, some drawing, then capital will change. And if it is 2 or 3 times during the year, then you have to apply this formula 2 or 3 times. Yes,
Yeah.
like in previous question, I have done 2 times calculation.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have to apply this formula 2 or 3 times. That is when confusion is created. First thing. you have to understand there is two methods you can use for interest calculation. This is simple method that
Okay, then this is a simple one. Okay, simple.
yes,
And
there are two methods. Actually, it is in,
yeah, like this you can show this, then I will
yes,
yeah,
you can see
interesting.
there is two
Yeah,
methods to calculate interest: simple method and product method. Now,
okay, sir.
I will explain the simple. I actually have written simple method here.
Yeah, that one simple method, no, the principal multiplied by rate by divided by 100, multiplied by
Yes.
10 by this one. Okay, this is a simple one. Okay.
So
Third.
this is simple method.
Sir, this formula we have to this method we have to use the interest on capital also,
What?
like interest on per this formula we have to use the in question also, like these two
Yes.
formulas.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
My teacher is not telling that thing. Okay.
Different formula.
No, sir. Like my teacher is not tell this thing formula. Only she tell you like amount and your percentage multiplied by the month and year.
Say they didn't give you any formula to use.
No,
Okay,
no,
that's
that's fine. Yeah.
different. Okay, so there is a note
Okay.
for every change. For every change, we will use this formula for
Mola
a
for
specified or certain period.
specified no certain
Time period.
time period. Okay, sir.
Okay, so whenever there is a change, we have to use this formula. Okay,
Okay.
separately. Like I told you in previous question, this one. Yes, this one.
Yeah.
For first amount, we have used this formula. For second amount, we have used this formula. If there is third change also, then we have to use this formula again.
Again, like it's asked in this question. Same. It's like a fourth time. So I have to use this formula the fourth time.
Yes, we have used four times. You can see.
Yeah. Like okay, then it's asking like I can use this also. I can use three for and three. I will do the same formula and another one I will do with another formula.
Yes, yes.
It will be also
Can you repeat?
like in the three question I will use the same formula. And the fourth one I can use the another formula. It will
Another
be
formula. There is no other another formula.
no like simple method and the another method also no.
Okay, well, that is different. I will teach you that.
Okay, like you are telling all this. Okay,
Okay. So this is
okay, sir.
simple method. So for every change, you have to use this formula separately and you will get the answer. After that, you will total the amount and you will get the answer.
Okay, sir.
Now, uh, thing is that second method is product method. Now, what is product method? That is important. Actually, in this method, we have to use that formula for calculation purpose. But before that, we have to prepare one table.
Okay,
So first, we will prepare a table with four columns.
four column is like, okay, I will check it. Okay, like particular amount.
Yes. No,
Okay,
actually, it is not particular amount. 1 minute.
okay. Okay, it is now one, two, three, one,
It
two,
becomes
three.
5. Okay. Sorry, there is.
So this black one you have you taken free, or you get some like from you download that template.
No, actually, it is attached with Microsoft Office.
No, like I got the white one only.
No, you can change the setting here. I think option
Yeah,
is
I
there.
changed, but it will not come in the black. It is coming only the only white.
Okay.
I
And no,
tried yesterday.
about that, I don't know anything. So first of
Yeah.
all, you will write date of change. Actually, I'm writing date means it is date of change. Okay. Then time period, amount. This is cumulative amount, and then product. So this is your table. Now, how to prepare the table? Let me give you an example, then you'll understand. Okay. So let's say
Okay, sir.
that on 1st April, capital of Kamal is 5 lakh. Okay.
Okay.
On first, let's say June, he introduced 2 lakh additional capital. And on 1st November, he again introduced 3 lakh additional
Amount
capital.
is increasing. Yeah, the amount will be increased like a month.
And on 1st January, he withdrawn 4 lakh from the business. So
First Jan. Okay,
this
first
is
Jan
the
is
information.
withdrawn. Okay.
Now interest at the rate 12% per annum. So first of all, you'll write all date of change. First change is on 1st April, 1st June, 1st November, 1st January. You'll write all dates here.
Date of change. Date of change. Then time period.
You have to assume the last date is always either 31st March or 31st December, whatever the situation is. Question can give you information about 31st December
Okay.
or 31st.
Oh, can you repeat it? Like I don't hear.
I'm saying that question can give you information about 31st December or 31st March. So you have to take last date also. You have
Okay.
to take into consideration the last date of the year. Now,
Okay,
from
sir.
one change to another change, you have to calculate time. And from the last date to the end of the year, that is 31st March. You have to assume this. Actually, it cannot be written here. So you have to assume this. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now from 1st April to 1st June, it is
It is 5 lakh.
2 months.
Yeah. Okay. You are completing the okay. Okay. My April, May, June. Okay, you're not completing June. Okay,
Yes. After
June,
June
July,
to
August, September,
November,
October. Five.
5 months.
Then
Again,
two
from
months.
November to January,
Two.
two, and
Then
from Jan,
again two.
three.
Why you are adding the March again? Like in that previous, we are not adding that month now.
But we have taken into consideration, you can see, I have prepared this 31st
Okay,
March.
okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay. Yeah, I got you. I got you. I got you.
Okay. So now amount we will write. The first amount is 5 lakh, the opening balance. We have to take cumulative amount. Means either we have to add any change or deduct the amount. Okay.
Okay,
So if the on 1st June we have added 2 lakhs, so it will become 7 lakh.
7 lakh. Yeah,
After that, on 1st November we have added 3 lakhs, so it
10,
will become 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
And now we have
Uh,
withdrawn 4
it
lakhs,
it
so
gets six. It gets 6 lakh.
okay. Now we will multiply each other this two. So column
It will
number
be
I
a,
will give, so you will
yeah,
understand. First, two, third, and 4 equals to 2 into 3.
2 into 3. Okay. It will be 10 lakh first one,
35 lakh,
then 35 lakh,
then 20 lakh, then 18 lakh. Okay.
then 18 lakh. Yes, sir.
Now we will calculate total of this product. So it is 45, 65, 73, 83, 83 lakh. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I'm telling, like in this question you do with this with the table, but my teacher tell like we have to we write first 50,000 like for interest on rupees for the 6 month, like how many month it will be, then multiply by interest by the amount, it will month by 5 by 12 like this.
No, no, this is another method. Or they
Okay.
have done this method.
No, you see, tell I think this method is there. This method because if we have not do with the table, only we do with
So
this
what is
with like
difference?
a first one.
What is difference? I am explaining the things here, which is different from your teacher that they explained.
Yeah, in like you are not include the interest now. You are not include the interest per annum, that one.
No, right now I'm not including, but after that I will do it.
Sir, I will tell first method. I like the first method we have done now, the first one. Like this method we have only already done. Like only this method. Like we have not done the second one method till.
Okay, no problem. Just understand whatever you like, then you can use it.
Yeah.
Sometimes students say that so this method is easy, so that's why.
No, like this method you're telling, na, this method is so easy to not make. It's like it's not time consuming too much. Only
Now interest equals to 83 lakh. Now total of this product that I have written here, you are saying 83 lakh.
yeah,
I have added all the amount 83 lakh into 12% interest, so 12 by 100 into 1 by 12.
like why we include 1/12?
Just 1 minute. This is 83,000.
Yes.
This is your interest. Okay. Now your question is why we are using 1 by 12 only, because 12 is written down. It is okay. Why this time?
But time.
Why we are
Okay.
taking 1 month only? So
Sir, can you please wait for 2 minutes? Like my battery is discharged. I have to
Okay.
take the power bank first.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was saying that why we are taking time factor here as 1 month, because in product method you always calculate interest for 1 month.
Okay.
Okay, so why we are taking 1 month? Because we have already taken time period here, and it is already multiplied with the amount. You can see
Yeah.
every amount is already multiplied. If we have calculated separate interest for all the amount by simple method, then we have to do the calculation 4 times, like 5 lakh into 12% into 2 by 12, then 7 lakh into 12% into 5 by 12, then 10 lakh into 12% into 2 by 12. We have to do this 4 times. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In simple method. So we have already multiplied this time period. So that's why we are not taking
One.
any
Okay, that's why we are taking one
we are
month.
taking
Okay.
only one.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Like, yeah, like every question we have to take only 1 month.
Yes. So this is your first step. I just have given you this example to understand, but you have to write this as step one and only this table, not the figures, not the date, not the time period. Okay.
Okay.
So first we will prepare a table with 4 columns, which is I prepared just now. Uh, then step 2 will be calculate time period between every change, between every
Change.
date of change. Step 3 will be multiply the cumulative amount with time period to calculate product. Step 4 will be calculate total product, and the last step is calculate interest on total product for 1 month. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your second method.
Wait, sir, wait. Done, sir.
Okay, so I will share the question on our portal. Okay, I have explained things like simple method, product method, both. Simple method already discussed in your portion that you have doubt.
Yeah.
Okay, and this product method I have ended here. Okay,
Okay, sir. So what will be the definition of interest on capital? Like one definition.
definition,
Yeah.
like interest paid by the firm to the partner on their invested capital is called interest on capital. It is actually, there's no definition required for interest on capital in drawing.
Okay, like they will how will they will ask question for the second one method?
Just calculation.
Okay, like we have to not write this step one, step two, step three. We have not write only we have to do the
No,
solution.
you don't have to write that. I have just added this so that you understand every step that you have to do.
Yes, sir.
Okay.